here back with another video. So today we're going to be talking about budget design. Like I said in my previous videos, designing on a budget is like my niche. I love to do it, and I feel like everyone deserves affordable design in their homes. You shouldn't have to have a budget of $5,000 plus, $10,000 plus, spend a grip on home decor, because we all have other life responsibilities and home decor usually isn't at the top of that list, but it makes a huge difference in your life, and I think it's super important to have an overall high quality of living. Today if you can see my background is a little bit different. I'm at a client's house. This room was done before YouTube, so I don't have too much before and after footage. I do have some pictures, but I really want to go over the room itself to discuss how I did it, where you can shop, and how to really make a room come together on a budget. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Another angle. But I really just want to talk really quickly about what you need to put a room together on a budget. First, look at your room now. Look at what you have and what you want to add, and write a list of those things, and then come up with your budget. Then take those lists. Say you have 15 items. Take that list, take your budget, and allocate those dollars to those 15 items. So if you have $2,000 to spend and you have 15 items to buy, take that budget and realistically apply amounts to what you need. If you need a sofa, maybe you need to spend $1,000 of that budget on a sofa. Maybe you don't need a sofa, you only need side tables, an accent chair. The accent chair is gonna be your most expensive thing. So allocate a bigger part of your budget to those bigger cost items, because ultimately they're gonna work out for you in the long run, because you don't want to have cheap stuff. You can do stuff on a budget without having cheap items. So that's a big thing. And another thing is do your research. You just have to research things. If you take your time and you look, if you just go to Home Goods and you are somewhere expensive, let me think, World Market, and you get a rug for $600, you didn't do any research. So now you have $1,400 to spend and you still have a whole room to do. You really just need to look, do your research, find what you like, and try to find something within your budget that's beautiful and is quality. So here's a few pictures of the room before. I didn't have YouTube, but I'm going to insert pictures so you guys can get an idea of what it looked like. So here is the space. Okay, so first we're going to discuss the television area. So the client already had this television. There's not really opportunities in this room to put it anywhere else because of the configuration. And if we were to mount it on the wall, there wouldn't be sight lines from the couch. So first things first, this TV stand, beautiful slate blue, goes with the whole room, and this is from Walmart. I'm going to put the prices on the screen of everything here. Next, above the TV, there was so much empty space that we put something up here, and my first idea was shelves. These shelves are so cute, and they also have family pictures on them. I'm gonna insert the price here, and picture frames. Now, picture frames are always a great and affordable way to change a room. Now, these picture frames, I actually bought all these from Burlington clearance section, but you can get them from any home goods store, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Walmart, Dollar Tree. To get a mirror this size, obviously you could spend a lot of money on this. So what you want to do is measure your space in your home and see what size mirror you want. This is a full-length mirror. I'm gonna put the dimensions on the screen, and just do your research. Find your dimensions that you want and start looking for mirrors, because you can get something like this for less than $100. Also, IKEA has a bomb mirror. I'm gonna put the name on the screen too, because I can't think of it this moment, but they have a bomb mirror that I think is below, it's like $129. That is the same price as silver, so you can paint it any color that you need for your room, and it's bomb. I'm having a brain fart, but this is a chair and a half. This is not a love seat. And we got the chair and a half because ultimately there's a space issue in this room. Prior to, the client had a sofa and a love seat and it was just too bulky for the space. So we got a chair and a half. It still gives you great seating. So we saved on this too by getting the chair and a half because it's about $200 less than the love seat. And another big savings, I wanted to change the pillows out, but the client liked the pillows. So we kept the pillows for this set. So that ultimately saved us some money, some dollar bills, y'all. So a part of this living room was this accent wall going up the stairs. Previously, I'll insert the picture here. This was, oh, sorry about the lighting. It was yellow. So this was a part of the room as well. I feel like this part of the room is like the showstopper. I love it so much. So we have the matching lamps, which also kind of even out the room and make it look really, really great with the symmetry. And then, so we kind of go from the ceiling fan down. I mean, look how beautiful that looks. And super inexpensive. Now let's talk about this rug, okay guys? Rugs, again, another thing that can be super expensive. My favorite place to get affordable rugs is Walmart. Walmart has a huge selection of rugs for low cost, and I'm telling you, this is in a main traffic area, and this room has been installed for 3 to 4 months, and there is no issues with this rug. Walmart has great quality rugs for a good price. This rug was literally only $60, and it's a 6x9. So you do the math on that. You try to find rugs anywhere else that are high quality for that amount. I'm telling you, if you really take your time, anyone can do this and make the room look really special. Guys, there are discount centers in pretty much every city in America. This is done in Rochester, New York. So this is not a big city. This is not a place. We don't even have an IKEA. So I'm telling you, these things are available. This sofa set is from the Raymore Flanagan Clearance Center, and we paid $1,200 for both pieces. Can you believe it? $1,200 literally for both pieces, and came with the pillows. Now this set, first of all, is comfortable. It looks great. It is like velveteen kind of fabric and with studs, which is super on trend for sofas, and people love them so much. So again, $1,200, and I mean that's with taxes for this set. Almost forgot the piece de resistance, the ceiling fan. Let me turn the light off so you guys, because I was trying to get some more natural light up in here. But guys, look at this ceiling fan. It's fox wood. It has like a nice, it has a nice fox gray wood finish. Okay, I need to turn the light back on. But look at it. And what's super nice about this is it has a swivel neck. So you know how you pull the cord and it like pulls down? You see how that swings? So it won't damage your ceiling. And guys, this was a little bit of a splurge for this room because we wanted something really nice because it's the center of the room. And this ceiling fan was $249. So definitely a splurge for the space, but I'm telling you, it's beautiful and it's totally worth it. So guys, I'm gonna do the tally for this room. I believe we spent around $2,000 on this, but seriously, the impact that we got in this room, paint, I forgot to talk about the white paint, but obviously white paint, bare, 60 bucks. The impact on this room for $2,000, and I mean, we took out everything. This is all brand new stuff outside of the TV. The impact on this room is, I mean, incredible for the amount that we spent. So guys, I'm telling you, you can really do this. You just have to take your time. You have to source your products. You have to come up with a budget and really just say, this is what I'm gonna do, this is what I want, and this is how I'm gonna do it. house, how to do a room makeover on a budget. I'm Creative Kara here. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back to you again with another video.